Hi, this is a short video to introduce the possibility to run the notebooks in Google Collaboratory. This is an infrastructure provided by Google to do data science and Jupyter notebooks hosted by them in their own cloud in Google Cloud platform without all the hassle of having to install Jupyter, the correct version of Python and all that stuff. So if you want to use notebooks, and you have problems installing all the dependencies and all the libraries that are included in the practical sessions, I strongly encourage and advise you to use Collaboratory. So if you go search in Google for that name, Google Collaboratory, you will find this page. The only thing that you need to know is to go to that page with your credentials from IE. Here I'm using my credentials from Gmail, but I can use my account from IE. And if you want to start working on the practice, just start a new notebook, right? So here you already have everything you need. Just a couple of clicks away from the search result in Google. So here you are. This is a normal notebook in Jupyter. And if you want to install, for example, the dataset library to make your life easier through this first practical session, the only thing you need to make is to install through Git using the URL that I already provided in GitHub. So if I hit this, hopefully I will install everything and have everything ready. This is what I'm doing here. As you can see, running in the cloud, this Jupyter notebook is configuring the kernel to use the dataset library, and it has already successfully installed the dataset library that I want to use. I have a small problem in the dataset library, and I need to install another package which is called skread. Otherwise it won't work, so you need to run these two commands beforehand, and now you're ready to go. So from this point you can say import dataset, and that's it. You have the dataset library available for you. If you want to use the file that we have been using in this practical session, you can upload it and use it here in this folder, right? So now I'm free to say to load this data file by saying, okay, I want to use this file, execute it, data is already loaded, and now I can say something like, okay, give me the summary of the data, and now you're ready to go. So I strongly advise or encourage you to use Google Collaboratory. You have problems installing everything, right? And yeah, that's it. Good luck with this new way of approaching Python and notebooks.